Okay, so here's my app on the Surface 3. I'm in the combine again. Here's me pushing the start unloading button. And now we flip to the tractor. And you aren't going to see it, but I'm going to speed the tractor up on my app. I have buttons to control the speed. So I just speeded it up. It's turning around, coming towards us. I'm going to speed it up some more. It's going to take forever. Okay, the tractor's going its maximum speed. I'll speed the combine up. So the changes I made now is the point is projected. The point that I'm telling the tractor to come to is just in the center of the video frame, just to the front and to the left of the combine, basically where the tractor should be when I'm unloading. The problem is the way I'm going to use this is the tractor is going to be coming like it is right now from in front, from some distance away. The nice thing about that is the operator will always have it in view, but at some point I need to turn the tractor around. So I'm monitoring the distance the tractor is from the combine, and when it gets to a certain distance, I start projecting the point the tractor is supposed to go to way out in front of the combine, which turns it around. At the same time that I start projecting the point that direction, I also slow the tractor down because it doesn't look that fast in the video, but trust me, when there's no driver in there and you're out in the field, it feels plenty fast. So it should be any time now. I haven't done this too many times. I don't know if it's going to work. Yeah, there it goes. And I slow it down quite a bit. And then once the tractor gets close enough again, I start projecting the point just in front, because otherwise it doesn't react fast enough. So I like to think of it as dangling a carrot in front of the tractor, which has happened automatically now. The tractor will just drive there. Then if we go back to the app, you can see I can pick different speeds on here, or I can put it in auto mode. Auto mode is pretty cool. If I put it in auto mode, now the tractor is monitoring the combine speed. It doesn't react to the combine speed unless the combine stops. So here I stop, and it's always a little bit delayed, which is fine actually for my purposes. What I really want it to do is just not keep on running. Sometimes we have to stop the combine if we take a wad into the front of the header there. And now if I start moving again, the tractor, it's also a little delayed. I think it's mostly something in my software, but I'll speed it up here and get it up alongside us again. Slow it down. I can also, on the app here, I can move my tractor left. There you can see it's turning away, and I can move it right. So that's kind of neat. I'm going to stop it again. Okay, that's just the stop button. Now I'm going to send the tractor to the approach, which I've previously picked. You can see in the background there is my half ton. If we go back to the app here, you click go to approach, and then the go button, and off it goes. You can see it starts moving. It always starts moving at the slowest speed, and the operator has to speed it up. I think that's a good control feature. So if we go back here, I push the max button, and the tractor speeds right up and takes off. Then I'm just outputting with some print statements to the display here, but tractor's distance to approach is 73, 70, 69, 68, 65. When it gets 30 meters from where I've marked the approach, it starts to slow down. I guess we could actually follow along. We don't have to be stuck way back here. So there it's about to hit 30. I don't know if you can see it, but it just slowed down a fair amount. Now when it gets within, I can't remember, I think it might be 10 meters. it comes to a stop. And there it is. It came to a nice gentle stop, and that's it. There's a, I don't know, it's working really good. I plan to mount the Surface Pro 3 beside the combine monitor here, which is kind of right in front of the combine control stick. So it'll just be sitting there, and I've already ordered the hardware for that. Other than that, left to do on this project is put the radios on the roof so that they're out of the way of the big metal cart and the big metal combine, and I think we're more or less done. Plus the safety stop bar on the front, which the parts are coming for it, I just haven't done it yet.